Hello everyone. So in this video, I will show you how you can cancel your overdraft in Lloyds Bank account. So in this video, we have three methods. So just follow the step-by-step guide that I'm going to show you. So first is just open up your Lloyds Bank application, and then you just need to click on this three dots menu right next to the account that you have enabled in your overdraft. So I have enabled my overdraft in personal account. So I can simply click on this three dots menu right here next to it. Then it's going to open up this screen where you will see a bunch of options. So you have to click on this overdraft option right here. Now on the screen, you need to choose the option to reduce or remove your arranged overdraft. So you just have to click on this manage your arranged overdraft option. And from there, you will find the option to remove your overdraft. So you just need to simply tap on that remove button. And once you click on that button, your overdraft will be canceled. So you can also cancel your overdraft by the internet banking login. So just visit their official website. You can type in on your Google or Safari like the Lloyds Banking Lloyds Banking online banking. And from your account overview, you just have to select more action and then overdraft. And then you just have to follow all the prompts to cancel or erase your overdraft limit. So the last option is you can also visit your local Lloyds Bank branch and speak with the representative to modify and cancel your overdraft. So that's it. That's how you can cancel your overdraft in Lloyds Bank. I hope you find this video helpful. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye!